black beyond a measure, but why are we on an end cap but in the back and nowhere close to actual hair products? Like, this is just really weird. If you're a representative for any of these companies and you're wondering the same thing that I'm wondering, maybe you should reach out to Target and Davenport and find out why you're next to feminine hygiene products and Q-tips and Eucerin and Aquifer products. Okay, so actually follow me to see how far the hair care products are from these actual other hair care products. So there's some Mayo products, Main Choice, Cantu. There's actually the Dew. They have some products there as well. But look how far I'm going to walk to get to where the actual items are. I'm still walking. You can still see I'm walking. I'm not exaggerating. This is where the products are. And I would love for someone to correct me, but I'm aware that end caps are very expensive. But being so far from the other products, could this be affecting your profit margin? So comment below if your Target has your hair care products in like really weird places as well. And comment also if you think that I'm just reading into it and I should sit down and chill. But I just feel like this is something that I'm like, nah, we got to talk about this.